Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Remove the battery if the model allows, because you are eliminating power hazards. Use an ESD strap to prevent static damage and keep the small Phillips and a plastic spudger ready. Start removing visible keyboard screws or carefully pry the top bezel where clips sit. You are releasing the keyboard retainer. Work methodically so you don't break plastic clips. Once done, lift the keyboard slowly to expose the ribbon connector beneath it. Now you focus on the connector. Locate the zero insertion force latch or sliding clip where the ribbon enters. You unlock it by flipping or sliding the small tab. This releases the ribbon without stress. Pull the ribbon straight out, not at an angle. This protects the contacts. Fit the replacement keyboard into its recess, align any guide tabs, and feed the ribbon into the socket fully. Then lock the latch so the ribbon is clamped. This secures electrical contact for all keys. Finish by seating the keyboard and replacing retention screws or snapping the bezel back in place. Make sure it sits flush. Reinstall the battery and plug in power, then boot the laptop and test every key and function key combination so you confirm proper connection. If a key row or the entire keyboard doesn't respond, power down, reopen, and reseat the ribbon. Ensure the ZIF latch is fully closed and the ribbon orientation is correct. That single reseat fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.